Agility back systems from ROHO. Strong, adjustable, comfortable. Agility is designed to accommodate virtually any client and wheelchair. Agility offers a variety of contours, material configurations, and hardware options, so you can tailor the back to feel like a custom fit. Agility's patented hardware is proven to be stronger than any other backrest on the market. Plus, Agility is the only option that offers ROHO's air flotation technology, delivering a more comfortable positioning backrest, resulting in increased sitting time and tolerance. There are multiple options available for Agility. Depending on the individual's needs, you will select from the following hardware options. Quick release, designed to make back removal for transport and storage quick and easy. Fixed, ideal for people who rarely remove Agility from their chair. The selected hardware option will determine your installation process. In addition to the quick release hardware, ROHO also offers the Agility fixed hardware option. The Agility fixed hardware is made from the same material and has the same adjustment capabilities as the quick release hardware. But with its smaller design, it's perfect for use with rigid wheelchairs and for individuals who typically do not remove their Agility back. You have two options to install the Agility fixed hardware, either the quick install or the wraparound install. The quick install is perfect for wheelchair canes without push handles, as shown here. For wheelchair canes with push handles, like this one, you will use the wraparound installation method. If the wheelchair cane diameter is 3/4 inches or 7/8 inches, a sleeve is needed. Adjust the width with the triangle bracket for the best fit. Once your triangle bracket is adjusted properly, begin installation. ROHO Agility back systems are the perfect blend of innovative features, giving wheelchair users comfortable support without sacrificing function.